Join me as I try to predict the next big moves for TQQQ stock and see if I can nail it. TQQQ stock, or ProShares UltraPro QQQ, is a name that's been on many investors' radars. It's a leveraged ETF that tracks the Nasdaq 100 index, which means it aims to deliver 3 times the daily performance of that index. For those who are bullish on tech stocks, TQQQ can seem like a tempting opportunity to amplify their gains. But with great power comes great risk, and TQQQ is known for its volatility. The current market conditions are anything but stable. We're seeing a lot of fluctuation in tech stocks, and economic factors like interest rates and inflation are making investors nervous. The Nasdaq 100 index, which TQQQ tracks, is heavily weighted towards tech giants like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. So, any significant moves in these stocks can have a big impact on TQQQ's performance. We're also seeing a lot of uncertainty around global trade policies and their potential effect on the tech sector. This uncertainty is reflected in TQQQ's recent price movements. The stock has been on a wild ride, with some big swings up and down. If you're thinking of getting in, it's essential to understand that TQQQ's leverage can work against you as well as for you. A few bad days for the Nasdaq 100 can lead to significant losses. Experts are divided on what the future holds for TQQQ. Some believe the tech sector will continue to rally, while others are more cautious, citing potential regulatory hurdles and market volatility. Let's dive deeper into TQQQ's recent trends. Over the past few months, we've seen some impressive gains, but also some sharp declines. If we look at the charts, we can see that TQQQ has been trading in a pretty narrow range lately. This could be a sign that investors are waiting for a catalyst to drive the stock higher or lower. Some experts are pointing to the upcoming earnings reports from major tech companies as a potential catalyst. Those earnings reports could be a significant catalyst for TQQQ's price. If the major tech companies report strong earnings, we could see TQQQ surge higher. On the other hand, if the reports are weak, we could see the stock take a hit. Macroeconomic events like changes in interest rates or trade policies could also have a big impact on TQQQ's price. As an investor, it's crucial to stay on top of these events and adjust your strategy accordingly. In terms of expert opinions, some are bullish on TQQQ's future trajectory. They believe that the tech sector will continue to outperform and that TQQQ will benefit from this trend. Others, however, are more cautious. They point to the potential risks, such as regulatory changes or market volatility, and advise investors to be careful. To navigate these risks, it's essential to have a solid understanding of TQQQ's underlying index, the Nasdaq 100. This index is heavily weighted towards tech stocks, which can make it more volatile than other indexes. However, it also offers the potential for significant gains if the tech sector performs well. In summary, TQQQ stock offers a high-risk, high-reward opportunity for investors. With its leveraged exposure to the Nasdaq 100 index, it can be a powerful tool for those who are bullish on tech. However, it's crucial to understand the risks and be prepared for a wild ride. So, what do you think about TQQQ stock? Have you invested in it, or are you thinking of getting in? Let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about investment strategies, be sure to check out my previous video on the topic.